Hello everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix security at a glance error on your Windows 11 with a blank screen and your Windows Defender app comes up in a blank screen. So this basically happens because of multiple reasons. Because if you are using any kind of third-party application, any kind of caches or any kind of corrupt profile or setting on your Windows PC. How you have to fix, the first thing that I would recommend you that you should check that if you have any other third-party antivirus on your program, on your computer, then you need to uninstall them. Keep in mind that only one security, one antivirus run at a time on your Windows PC. If you're using multiple, none of them will work because they all will conflict with each other. Okay, so how you have to check that? Click on your search box, type here appwiz.cpl. From the suggestion, choose appwiz.cpl. Now here you will see the list of all the programs installed on your PC. You have to look for any kind of security like Norton, Kaspersky, Avast, McAfee. If you find any one of them here, then you need to uninstall that by making a right click on it and then choose uninstall. Okay. Now even you can look in the program if you find any suspicious program. If something that you do not use, you can also uninstall them from here. This will be also increasing your computer performance. Once you are done, check back that if this fixes the problem, and if not, then I have another solution that is the best way and the easiest way to fix it. That is resetting your Windows security. It's very easy. Click on your search box. Type here security, and then you will be getting Windows security. Just make a right click on it, then choose app settings. This will be coming up, and once you scroll down a bit, you will find a reset option with two subsections, that is repair and reset. So first you can try repairing it. Click on repair. This will try to repair it. You can minimize this page, go back and try to open your security again. If this works, it's fine, or else you can go and try resetting it. Click on reset, then reset again. This will take some time, and once you get a check mark, close everything and go and check that if the issue is fixed or not. And if not, then you also need to check that Windows Security Service is running on your computer or not. So click on the search box, type here services, and from the suggestion choose services. Now here you will see the list of all the services running or stopped on your computer. Scroll down and you have to look for a service called Windows Security Service. So you can come to the W section. Then here you will find Windows Security Service. Double click on it. And now you can see that the service status is running. Though all the other options are unhighlighted, which you cannot change. You cannot make any changes from here. But what you have to look for here, that it should be, the status should be to running. If it is stopped, then you have to enable it. How you have to do? Above that, you will find an option path to executable. You need to copy this path. Okay, you just need to keep in mind that you have to go to this path. So open your file explorer. You can use the Windows E key, that is a shortcut key to open the file explorer. Go to this PC, and then it says C Windows. So I have to go to C drive, then to Windows, then System 32. So I will look for System 32. Here it is. Double click on it, and then we have to go to security health service.exe. So you have to look for security health service.exe. So keep scrolling down until you find security health service, or you can also look here on the right hand top. You will find the search box. Click on the box and type here security. I will narrow down the search and search by security health service, and here I got it. So it means I have this option here, I have this service, so it's fine. But in case if you do not find it, then you need to download this file from the Google. You can go and search on Google security health service download for Windows 11. You will get a file. Once downloaded, you need to come to the same destination and paste the file over here. Okay, once done, you can restart your PC and check back that if this fixed the problem. And still if it doesn't work, nothing will work for you, then I would also recommend that go and run some kind of a scan on your PC to find any kind of corrupted file. So for that, click on the search box, type CMD, then choose Run as Administrator. The black window will be coming up, and here you have to type sfc /scan now. Hit enter. Now this will be running a system scan, scanning all your file, and this may take some time. So you can see the verification is 4% complete, and you have to wait until it's been 100% completed. And it says Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violation. So in my end, I am not getting any kind of violation. There was no problem, but probably you get a different message where it says some integrity violation was found and automatically fixed. Okay, so whatever message you get, no problem, close it. Now restart your PC. I'm pretty sure that your problem will be fixed. And if this got fixed, make sure that you do not forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.